Hello everyone. Okay guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a token to MetaMask or import a token on MetaMask in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys, of course, we need to go to our MetaMask extension that we added recently on our browser. Okay, so here guys, we can see here the MetaMask logo. Okay, you just have to click that one and I wanted to open it in full screen. So as you can see here on the MetaMask dashboard, so I have here this one, the tokens, DeFi, NFTs, and activity. You just have to go to the tokens. Okay, so for us to add a token or import a token, so as you can see here, there is a funnel here and also a drop down and also the three dots option. So this one guys, you just have to click this one. So you will see here an import tokens. You just have to click that one and you can actually search specifically what token you wanted to add on your MetaMask. Let's say um okay, let's say USDT. So I've already added one. So um let's say this one guys. Okay, I wanted to add this one. So you just have to hit the next button and import the token. So as you can see here guys, we've successfully import this token on our MetaMask, but it actually is zero. So but it's alright. So that's it guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MetaMask. Thank you.